You've been throwing away your grass clippings? Stop! You're literally wasting free fertilizer. What if I told you that the secret to a healthier, greener garden is already in your backyard? Stay with me, and I'll show you how to turn grass clippings into powerful homemade fertilizer, effortlessly. Instead of tossing away freshly cut grass, you can transform it into a nutrient-rich fertilizer for your plants. Grass clippings are packed with nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth, and they also improve soil health and moisture retention. The easiest way to use them is by turning them into compost. Simply collect the grass clippings and mix them with dry leaves, kitchen scraps, and a little garden soil. Keep turning the pile every few days to ensure proper aeration and speed up the decomposition process. In about 4 to 6 weeks, you'll have dark, crumbly compost ready to nourish your plants. Another method is making liquid fertilizer, also known as grass clipping tea. Fill a bucket with fresh clippings and water, stir it well, and let it sit for 3 to 5 days. Stir occasionally to release nutrients into the water. Once the mixture turns dark, strain out the solids and use the liquid to water your plants. This gives them an instant nutrient boost, helping them grow stronger and healthier. If you want an even simpler method, just spread a thin layer of dry grass clippings directly on the soil around your plants. This acts as a natural mulch, keeping the soil moist, preventing weeds, and slowly breaking down to release nutrients. Just make sure the layer isn't too thick to avoid mold and odor. So next time you mow your lawn, don't throw away those clippings. Use them to supercharge your garden. If you found this tip useful, hit the like button and let me know in the comments how you use grass clippings in your garden.